presentation was about the top 10 predictions that we see in smart manufacturing, and I spoke about the top 3 I think are the most relevant today. And the first one is that manufacturing is becoming data-driven. The second one is about the use of cloud to collaborate and to generate information and spread information in the factory. The third one is about the augmentation of workers with technologies to make them more productive. For Industry 4.0, we believe that it's going to evolve, of course. It is a long journey. We see the next phases for manufacturers are going to be, first, to understand how to blend product delivery and service delivery in a holistic value proposition. The second one is going to be to transform in their outlook in the market and check what the new opportunities are, for example, not only to deliver product and services, but also to monetize on the data that they collect and they generate. The third one is just understanding the fact that there will be winners and losers. And of course, the disruption is going to be huge, and they need to transform in order to be on the winning side. Advanced Factories is a very important event for us at IDC. This is the third year we attend the event, and we really enjoy being here because you see key companies presenting, you see a lot of fantastic manufacturing companies sharing their experience, and I think the biggest benefit of companies being here is that they can look outside their own vertical market and see what their peers in other industries are doing and how their companies are trying to solve the same issues they themselves have. I think this ecosystem, this collaboration sharing is extremely important for a company to be successful in the future.